Hi everyone! In today's lesson, we are starting the most exciting part of abacus learning, mental math using the abacus. This technique helps you visualize an abacus in your mind and perform mathematical operation without a physical tool. Sounds amazing, right? Let's get started. Think about when you tell the kids to imagine a computer screen, they can picture it instantly, right? Or when you talk about a drawing book, they can visualize it in their mind. Similarly, you can train them to imagine an abacus, place number, perform calculations. Let's begin by learning to place numbers on our mental abacus. We use thumb finger to add lower bits from one's place, and we use index finger to subtract lower bits from one's place and add and subtract upper bit from one's place. We will place numbers from 1 to 9 in our mental abacus. Place 1, add 1 lower bit from one's place. Place 2, add 2 lower bits from one's place. Place 3, add 3 lower bits from one's place. Place 4, add 4 lower bits from one's place. As the value of each lower bit in one's place is 1, so total value of lower bits is 4. Place 5, add upper bit from one's place. Place 6, add upper bit and 1 lower bit, 5 and 1, 6. Place 7, add upper bit and 2 lower bits from one's place, 5 and 2, 7. Place 8, add upper bit and 3 lower bits from one's place, 5 and 3, 8. Place 9, add upper bit and 4 lower bits, 5 and 4, 9. Now we will do some addition using single digit numbers. 2 plus 1. Add 2 lower bits from one's place and 1 more lower bits. 2 plus 1, 3. 2 plus 2. Add 2 lower bits and 2 more lower bits from one's place. 4. 3 plus 1. Add 3 lower bits and 1 more lower bits from one's place. 3 plus 1, 4. 5 plus 1. Add upper bit from one's place and 1 lower bit from one's place. 5 and 1, 6. 6 plus 2. Add upper bit, 1 lower bit, 6 plus 2 more lower bits. 6 plus 2, 8. 5 plus 3. Add upper bit and 3 lower bits from one's place. 5 and 3, 8. 7 plus 2. Add upper bit and 2 lower bit. 7 plus 2 lower bits. 7 plus 2, 9. Did you get all the answers right? Fantastic. This is just beginning. With practice, you will be able to solve calculation quickly in your mind. That's it for today's lesson. In the next lesson, we will move on adding and subtracting 2-digit numbers using the mental abacus. So, don't forget to subscribe to Zippy Learning and hit the bell icon to stay updated. Keep practicing and let me know in the comments how well you visualize today's sum. See you in the next time. Happy learning!